How are you? This is Leslie from Leslie's Creative Studio, and I'm back. I know a lot of you haven't seen me in a long time. Um, Life has just been really crazy, and I took a hiatus from filming. I didn't stop crafting, I just didn't film. Um, Life happens, and I needed some time, and I did that. Um, the things that we were dealing with was COVID, and so that took a toll on me, and so I retired. So that's big news, and I'm going to turn my phone off, ringer, so that it doesn't go off there. But we I retired, and we sold the house, and we bought a smaller house, kind of smaller, and but it's a ranch, which means I don't have to keep walking up and down stairs, so that's great. And so I'm now that I'm retired, I can film as much as my little heart desires. Um, but those of you that are new to me, welcome. Happy to see you. Um, to know a little bit about myself, I am a retired special ed teaching assistant. I taught for 30 years, and I taught anything from those with profound disabilities to kiddos who just needed a little extra push or a little extra help, with their academics. So, and I also worked a lot with the kids that had some emotional disabilities. And a lot of those kids were basically trauma kids that caused the emotional disabilities in a lot of them, which was heartbreaking, just heartbreaking. But anyway, I loved them to death. I loved my students to death. But I needed to retire. Um, I'm done. I was just done. So I was eligible for retirement through my pension, and my husband and I had a long conversation, and we decided, yeah, you're done. It's okay. You can retire at 60. So that's what I did. Um, Retired at 60 and turned 61 in September. And so yeah, it's very strange. I'm going to tell you straight up. It's very, very strange being retired because you don't know what day it is. You lose track of time and everything. So, and I'm a night owl. So there's oftentimes I will be, in the craft room, working on a project, and I look up at my clock and see, oh my gosh, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I should probably go to bed. But, I'm looking forward to doing some things with my husband, taking some trips and doing some road trips and things like that. That'll be interesting. Just, we can't get to the end of the street without arguing about, I'm a real bad passenger. It's not his fault. It's totally on me. Taking credit for that. I'm a very nervous passenger. I get, I get nervous. It's like, hey, there's a green light. Hey, it's red. Go left, not right. And it's amazing that he hasn't killed me yet. Anyway, this YouTube channel, is dedicated to mostly doing paper crafts of all kinds. I love doing junk journals, um, grungy junk journals, shabby chic, I'm not into the dragons, and for some reason a lot of people are doing Alice in Wonderland. And hey, if that's what makes you happy, go for it. I don't like Alice in Wonderland, but I enjoy what I'm doing. And so the one thing I'm going to start doing, I want to do a series called Journal Card Monday. And every Monday, I will be releasing a journal card. I'll be doing a video. This is a jumbo playing card. And I put coffee dyed paper on both sides. And then one side you can write on. The other side I'm going to decorate. And we're going to do one of those once a week. A craft with me kind of thing. If you have any ideas of what kind of theme or design you'd like me to do on the journal card, put a message in the description below, and I will take a look. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm up to. It. But I just wanted to say hi. I'm back, and I'm ready to go. And come along with me. It'll be fun. So I hope you had a wonderful holiday season, and I hope everybody is healthy and safe and happy. And so let's do this. How about that? Okay, so that I'll say goodbye, and I will see you on Monday. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put a video out probably tomorrow. I found, as I was going through my computer, I found a video from last year that I never uploaded. So it's a year old. And I think I filmed it around Valentine's Day. So I'm going to go ahead and it'll have the 2025, stuff on it. But I'm going to go ahead and upload that and put that out tomorrow. So that's a little something that you can see. And, it was at the old house. So, and we still had our dog. Our dog passed away. So, had her for 13 years. So, life, she made us very happy. I feel very lost without my dog. So, I'm hoping that my husband lets me get a puppy here soon. I want a little puppy. I want something that's not going to get very big. That's what I want. But all right, again, I'm going to go. I hope everybody's safe, happy, and healthy. And please remember, be nice. It's really not that difficult. Bye.